Alright guys, Matco man just pulled up, so let's go see what Michael's got and take a look around. Kind of goodies. That's a torque wrench, ain't it, Bill?
That ain't a torque wrench, that's just a ratchet.
A regular ratchet?
I've been there.
Just extends out.
And it doesn't. That was one of my biggest complaints with some of the torque wrenches is where the button is, you gotta turn it to get it lined up. That is pretty slick.
How long is that thing?
Extends out to 40.
Holy smokes.
40, you say?
Yeah.
You ever get crippled, Bill? You can use that as a walking stick.
Yeah.
Save you enough for it, ain't it?
If drivers get sideways with us,
There you go.
Ooh, got a new box in here.
Yes, sir. You buy that box, you get $1,000 worth for free.
$1,000 worth of tools for free.
got a price on that ratchet. It's like it's just serious.
Another pair of them. I got them right there, right?
Well, just hold on. I'm going to put 25 on today.
That's fine. We'll go ahead and put this on there. It's fine. We'll keep the payments the same. Yeah, once we showed it, got to put them on the truck, right?
Bill had to get another pair. Them things
Yeah.
worked good the other day.
We've used them twice, and they were awesome.
Worked really good.
I'll check them.
There you go.
When you having a drawing?
We're going to do the drawing next Friday. Y'all are going to be a part of it, so.
Bill said he needed to win that where he can get that big old ratchet.
They'll get that ratchet today.
What do you think, Bill?
I got to have one of them.
It's a big one. What, 3/4 inch drive?
Yep.
She's a big one. She's a big one. Some good looking Oakley shades too.
Yes, sir. 59.85. 59.85. Lifetime warranty.
I like those
Orange
orange
don't
lens
mind
ones.
As long as it's like a round thing.
Yeah.
We get creative around here sometimes.
We got to.
You got to. What $20 off.
Yeah, I'm running a special where you get your $20 off the first pair of Oakleys.
Nice shades in there. I like those orange lens ones. It's pretty cool. So what you got new and exciting for us?
Well, we've already seen the Ratchet, but the other two things that I'm excited about, we've got a blind rivet adapter kit, a rivet nut adapter kit. So we've all had the rivets that you got to do by hand. This one here, you put in any drill, and it does it for you. So you put the rivet in the end of it, put your drill to it, you hit your button on your drill, and it does the rivet. Same way with your rivet nut, do the same thing. Put it in the drill and let it do it for you. So no more hand pumping the rivets.
So you can use, what you're saying, you can use regular rivets and it
Yeah.
pulls.
Yeah.
Just in any regular drill.
Yeah, any regular drill. Just put it right there, put it in your drill, hit the button, and it does it for you.
I will be.
Does it have adapters for different size?
Yes.
Cool.
So there's the adapters with the rivets, there's the adapters with the rivet nut. Makes quick work out of it.
Very nice. What are those sets usually run?
This one right here, I think is 114. Yeah, it's 114 for the rivet, blind rivet adapter kit, and then the nut kit is 179.95.
That's nice right there. Sure beats pumping it by hand on it, Bill.
Yes, sir.
We ain't too much on that hand pumping. We have to. Ain't because we want to. Look right there, Bill. Got a green impact.
Yeah, I saw that. And it's not the Silver Eagle brand either.
No, sir.
Matco tool. What kind of torque these put out?
1300 breakaway.
Wow. You can even get the regular colors if you don't want the high vis.
That's right. Some of the older people don't like the high colors. Some
I'm one
do,
of
some
them.
don't.
I'm one of them older peoples. Not really, but I just like the standard colors, you know. I'm afraid I get burnt out on all that fancy new viz high color stuff.
I have been known to leave tools on trucks in the past.
Yeah, that makes the high color makes sense.
He did it like 2 weeks ago.
Uh-oh.
So did. But you got a well-stocked truck. There ain't no doubt. Well-stocked. Alright, Bill. He said the grinders is buy one, get one free.
And I'm grinder poor right now.
That's a good deal on them grinders, though. Oh, 12-volt, quarter-inch.
That would be awesome for finding air leaks.
It hooks into your smartphone.
Yep.
What, it just amplifies the sound?
Well, it just Bluetooths it to your phone, and then you have your earphone that go to your ear, and it lets you see on the screen how loud it is in decimals and stuff. That way you're not gauging by your ears. Well, yeah, it's louder here than the other, because we've all chased the wheelbarrow noise and got to the wrong one.
Yeah.
So that one on your phone, you can actually visually see how loud it is.
Kind of an electronic stethoscope.
That's cool. Alright guys, y'all seen Michael had a bunch of stuff on the truck. It's a pretty good little truck tour. Bill bought another pair of these pinch off pliers that he likes. There's the part number if you guys are interested. Looks like MLX LNN11. So that's how they work, kind of like vice grips with no teeth in them. But anyway, guys, that's what we got today on the Matco truck. I just made a payment on my account. So anyway, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one. Oh yeah. Just small enough to fit down in there too, ain't it? Man, if you got some of these, you take throw that in the garbage. I gotta get me some of these.